camouflage to hide. Camouflage is the octopi's best defense. This octopus has seen a predator. She instantly blends into her background. She can even change the texture of her skin to look like the rocks and seaweed. But the octopus has many more means of defense in her bag of tricks. This octopus has seen a reef shark. There is nowhere to hide. Suddenly, she disappears. She has squeezed herself into a tiny crack in the rocks. Those amazing arms can protect our graceful friend by sacrificing themselves. If one of these octopi is under attack, an arm will break off and keep wriggling. The predator will be distracted and the octopus can escape. For his grand finale, the octopus will perform one last feat. The predator will eat this octopus. He squirts a cloud of black ink. The predator is confused. The octopus escapes. Another daring escape in the incredible octopus race of life. The brain boxes of the ocean use their intelligence to win their race of life. They have the biggest brains on the planet. Some are excellent at working in teams. Others run their race alone. But they are all high speed. The orca. Most of these graceful giants use their sheer size as their best defense. Some whales are equipped with teeth. And for orcas, that means they are apex predators. Almost no other animals will attack them. Except perhaps one. The ultimate ocean hunter is looking for a kill. A great white shark. The orcas group together. There can be up to 40 whales in one pod. A formidable force. Their teeth are clearly visible. They're designed for capturing and tearing prey.